This is a tribute for the late Bishop Desmond Tutu, and we're excited that the Dialogue projects have a special way for us to share African heritage with the children in a way we have not been able to do before. God Bless Africa is one of the songs you will find on our interactive sound books. And that's how I was able to teach my children, Idanai and Anesu, to play God Bless Africa. We'll do that on violin. If you have a copy, enjoy conversation starters that are there in addition to the vocabulary that comes with the book. And we'll play on violin, God Bless Africa.